Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on Redmi 15. Let's begin! First we can actually check if we have our auto brightness enabled. We can do that by heading into settings, scrolling down a little and then clicking display and brightness. Right below screen brightness bar, we should see automatic brightness. Also, you will notice sunlight mode. Just remember that it actually changes your brightness too, and it might cause some issues with automatic brightness itself. But technically, all you want to do is simply enable it, and now our screen brightness should be automatic and should be automatically adjusting itself, depending on your lights, of course. However, if you are still having some issues with this feature, I would advise you to just reboot your device. You can do that by pressing and clicking the power button and volume up button. I just said pressing and clicking. I'm sorry for that. Here you want to simply move to the bottom to the reboot option. Now I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does really help. Because whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including sensors that are directly responsible for auto brightness feature, since they are sensing the light levels around you, and then via this data it actually adjusts the brightness itself. So if you have any issues, make sure that the feature is enabled and reboot your phone in case of any issues that are further. And I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.